Buonasera, we've arrived at the glorious Lake Como.
Right now we're in Varenna and we're in a botanical garden.
Entry is €8 to just the garden itself, or you can pay an extra couple of euros to go to a villa at its centre.
That's right, we've paid for both so we can have a walk around the gardens and a look in the villa. I love the elegance and sophistication from a different world, a different time. Lake Como is so beautiful and so opulent.
One of my minor gripes about Italy is that so much of it is uphill. Oh well, beauty comes with a price.
It's so beautiful being here in Varenna. Last time I was here, I rolled my jeans up and I waded in. I think it was September. I got a few mad looks, but I definitely wouldn't be doing it now.
We're just enjoying some pizza as we wait for our ferry to Bellagio to come in.
We're here in Bellagio now.
Okay, introducing our accommodation for the next 3 nights. This is our room in the Hotel Swiss in Bellagio. What do you think, Tim?
It's pretty nice. It's got a comfy bed, which we sure could use. We've been walking heaps today through trains and gardens with our backpacks on, so it's really nice to finally be here.
The best part of this room is the killer view. Check out this view of Lake Como. We paid a bit extra, but I think it's totally worth it. Check that out. Pretty special. Weird quirk, we actually have a cot in the room. So we could have brought the cats.
Yes. Meow.
Nice bathroom, really good sized shower. Yeah, I think we're going to be super comfortable here at the Hotel Swiss.
It's really nice. So we're having a very chill New Year's Eve. It's absolutely dead outside. We've had a beautiful dinner and we've had some wine. And now we're just watching some trash and we're waiting for the fireworks.
Nearly ready for the countdown to begin. Happy New Year! Yay!
This morning we're going for a wander around Bellagio. It's a charming little town. Lots of cobbled streets, boutique shops, a lovely place to bring your nana.
Yes, I'm really out here. The block is getting hot, I got no fear. 900 degrees and I'm still here. We can melt in the sun, you can say I'm the one, I'll just say it's been fun. Hallelujah. Yeah, it's time to turn the page like a new year.
Now that we've explored some of the township, we're going to head up to this big epic villa that's right at the top of Bellagio. There's a bit of a walk up the hill first, but we should have an excellent view at the top.
Cause I can't wait. I'm down in the south, baby.
This is so nice.
Where the colors always shine daily.
We found found our way to the villa's entrance, but it's closed. So we're going to head back to the waterfront, walk around the edge to a nice vantage point, and check out the view there. We may even still get a peek at the villa up on the mountain. So we found a quaint cafe for some lunch. We've ordered some pastas and some salad. It's after lunchtime, so that means espresso.
I ordered the ravioli with a spinach and ricotta filling and a butter sage sauce. I like my decision making. That pasta is so soft, it melts in your mouth. And the sauce, while it's light, it's lovely and rich. Really good.
My lasagna a la ragu is here. Looks really nice. Really nice. Lots of creamy, cheesy sauce inside, and the nice meaty ragu on the top.
His soul's just like a stone, vulnerable at night.
The beauty of Lake Como is second to none.
Speaks for itself.
Doesn't need a man to
Dolce Vita.
There goes my lady with her plans. We break all the rules when we can.
Well, we have found some villas, and we have found the mountain. We can't seem to get our way up. Oh well.
We haven't found George Clooney yet. Is he over there, do you think? Or there? Or maybe he's back in Varenna. Come out wherever you are, George.
We can chill on my patio, drink some wine, let it go. You're my favorite.
Here for a quick aperitivo.
All alone. No more.
Continuing my quest to eat all the bread and cheese in Europe.
Soon we'll be in Neverland. Yeah, she shines all the time. Like a
Perfect way to end a great day with an Aperol Spritz.
Salute.
I don't think that anybody in this town